So I'm going to show you how to edit an image that you got from Canva AI. You can do this from anywhere. I tested it out with other AI platforms to generate labels, and it worked. These are the two images that you picked. This was one, and this was the other one. I had already edited the label already, and so it looks like this, but let me just show you the process. So first of all, we're going to take off the coffee cup and we're going to put the logo. We're going to change the fonts here, and again, you can use the fonts that you use for your brand, and we're going to change the information on this candle. So all you have to do is you have to click the picture, and now we're going to edit. After we go into edit, we're going to go into magic grab. Right there with the hot air balloon, we are going to grab the coffee cup. So if you use the click, you see how you hover over things. If you want to remove any of these elements, or you want to move them around or make them larger, you can hover over it, and it will you can hover over it and you'll be able to move it around or change the sizing. So we're just going to highlight this. Doesn't have to be exact. Anytime I use this highlighting tool, I always feel like my hands can't be steady. So after we select this, let's grab it. After we grab it, you'll be able to delete it. And as you can see here, you can move it around. And you didn't lose anything in the background. It still looks the same. And let me zoom in a little bit closer so that you can see. See, nothing is missing from the background when you take this off. So we're just going to delete this. And I'm going to add my logo in the center, and you can make it bigger, smaller, whatever you want. And so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab the text. We're going to grab text, and we're going to highlight all of it because you'll be able to move it around, change it around, and do whatever you want. Once you see that it's highlighted purple, if it's not highlighted purple and you just say grab text and you see that there's a box around it, it's not going to grab it. So just make sure you click everything, grab it, and then you'll be able to move it. This is where we fall short. Sometimes we think that when we're using AI and it misspells words or whatever, we're stuck with that thing. And I just found out that you don't have to get stuck with that. So we're just going to move things around. As you can see, you can move these around. You can use your font for your brand and just change it around to whatever it is that you want. Sometimes when you're using the grab text, when you're using that, sometimes it'll lose the font itself that you initially saw, so you have to do something similar. But I think it's because it has to, identify the font within the fonts that you have in the your font library. If you're going to foil this, you're going to need to do all of this in only black. And I suggest, if you're going to foil it, that you use fonts that are not thin, because you want to make sure that the foil hugs the letters. So I'm going to use Playfair. So I use Playfair, and I used Georgia. So if you want to make this bigger, you can make it bigger. If you want to make it 1 line, 2 lines, you could do that as well. And then if you want to resize, you can just drag and make it smaller, or you can go to the numbers at the top and do what you got to do. And you'll see the numbers that tell you how equal the spacing is. Okay, so now we can move this part here, and we don't want it to say this because there's some stuff here we don't understand. So we are going to change the top one and say luxury soy candle. Now if you want to put the scent notes in it, if that's what you like to do, you could put the scent notes. If you want to add a text box and add soy wax candle and then do the scent notes and then put 8-ounce candle, you can do whatever you want. So for the sake of this video, we are going to just change this part. We're going to make this a little bigger. We're going to change this part, and we're going to say luxury. And I'm not going to use all caps because I use all caps in the title. And I'm going to change this font to the Playfair with the regular letters, not the uppercase. And then if you want it bigger, just make that bigger. Now we have the luxury soy candle. Let's just put that in the middle of the page. And now we're going to move these words here. Now you don't have to leave these here. You can delete these and just start a whole new text box. But if you want to just get it from here, you can. And I am going to put 8-ounce candle. That's it. If you wanted to change this, you can change it to anything. So let me just show y'all that real fast. You can change it to any font you want it to be. So whatever your font is, you can go on ahead. You want to do spooky pumpkin, spooky pumpkin. You know what I mean? Whatever you want to do. Totally up to you. Totally up to you. Whatever the font is, whatever your font is, go on ahead and do what you need. Go crazy. So this is Georgia Pro, and we're going to make that a little bit bigger. At my website, I'm going to change this to Biba. And I'm going to make it smaller. And I'm also going to change the color of the font. Grab the dropper. All right, so now we got that. If you want to make it smaller, you can make it smaller and bring it in between this. Now